Hi, my name is Matt, and my first poem is called When I Grow Up. This one's about my dad. He's not here tonight, but I hope he still gets the message. My dad. He's always there to make me laugh, to give me advice, always at the right time and in the right way. About the ladies, he'll help me when I just don't know what to do. About life, he tells me of the dangers to watch out for, the rewards to appreciate, and the sacrifices that are always part of life. He's always there for a tickle war when I'm glum or grim, for some wrestling when I'd rather pout, or for some coffee when I just need somebody to talk to. He's there when I'm crying. He'll hold me and be the trampoline of love that springs me back to my feet. Every day, every night, every sun up, every sundown, he is always there for me, no matter what. Nothing can break our bond. Be it the will of the four elements, of everyone evil, not even death itself can break our bond. He will never leave me, like a shadow that never leaves its owner. To me, he's the ultimate superhero. Superman and Batman are basking in the shallows of his magnificence and inspiration. I want to be just like him when I grow up. The way he treats his family, how he supports us, never giving up. How he cares about everyone and loves everyone. I want to be just like that. Now for the fun one. This one's called Trapped. It's about a dream I had. I was a butterfly cat in a forest of dappled sunlight, fluttering between the ribbons of ivory moonlight, eating toadstools with peanut butter and anchovies. Chuck Norris was hunting me for a bounty, a trophy for his mantle. Kim Kardashian was at my side, along with my 6 o'clock shadow. The two were loyal and ready to fight with me. The sun's rays were now ripping through the fog in the marshy quagmire. I heard Adele speak to me. She told me what to do from above. She told me, Matt, set fire to the rain. So I did. Chuck Norris scattered and scampered like a mouse in a room full of traps. Kim and I bolted like two long-tailed cats in the men's shoe department, off into the sunset of dappled sunlight and ribbons of ivory moonlight.